All right, there she is. She's all done. We took this roof from a 3-tab asphalt roofing system to a standing seam metal roof. Metal roofs usually last you anywhere, between 60 and 80 years plus, just depending on weather, hail strikes. Like if you get a large hailstorm and it's 4 inches or larger, it will damage these metal roofs. But generally speaking, these metal roofs will take hailstones of up to 2 to 3 inches, depending on the density of them. It'll weather them pretty well. Probably the last roof this homeowner will install in their lifetime on this property. They'll last about 80 plus years. This one is a standing seam 24 gauge Galvalume in color. Installing a metal roof like this will also give you a premium reduction from your insurance company, so that's also a save. Pretty cool. Hey, if you're in San Antonio, you're in the market for a new roof, you want to quote, we'll quote you for asphalt or a metal roof just like this one. Hope you learned something. Like always, if you got something to say, drop a comment below. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's rock and roll.